Online classes can present unique challenges if you're not prepared. But if you develop skills for effective online learning, you'll find the courses can be an excellent alternative to a traditional classroom setting. Hi, I'm Anna from Wondershare DemoCreator, and today I'm going to share with you some note-taking strategies and tips for online courses. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. If you're considering taking online college courses, or you're already enrolled in a program, I want to share with you some tips and tricks that can help you get the most value out of your next class. Treat an online course like a real course. When it comes to online classes, you need to have the discipline to sit down and say, I'm going to work on this, as well as the dedication to actually follow through. Though you can be flexible as to when you choose to complete your work during the week, you can't put it off indefinitely. One of the easiest ways to ensure follow-through is to remember that you are paying to take this online course, just as you would for a traditional in-person class. You must show up if you're going to get real value out of your class. Treat your online classes the same way you would a face-to-face class, or better yet, a job, and you'll be off to the right start. Have effective communication and seek help when needed. Don't allow emotions or misunderstandings to fester. Prompt communication will almost always resolve potential issues. Remember, the faculty is there to help and support you. Your success is their top priority. Remember that your professors are accessible, approachable, and eager to communicate with you. When you have questions about any aspect of your online courses, I encourage you to contact your professors sooner rather than later. While I understand it can sometimes feel a bit intimidating to email or call an instructor, teachers always welcome questions and appreciate students who take a proactive approach to their studies. Remember too that while email is a convenient mode of online communication, telephone and Skype calls offer opportunities for more personal and efficient interaction. Call your professors when you need more detailed clarification or guidance. Take notes. Write down important points. Just like in a traditional classroom setting, taking notes may make it easier to remember the important pieces of information you will need to retain. You can click the video here to get a detailed note-taking guide. Record your lessons for easy review. For students who participate in online distance learning and can't communicate with the teacher at school, or can easily be interrupted by some trivia and miss the important content while watching lessons, a great idea is recording the class for later review. So next, I'll show you how to record online lessons with Wondershare DemoCreator. If you don't have Wondershare DemoCreator, there's a link in the description below for a free trial. After opening the Wondershare DemoCreator program, you can click the New Recording button to start your screen recording. Then a pop-up window will appear. By default, DemoCreator will record a middle-sized screen. To customize your recording area, you just need to drag the border to adjust the size of the region. This way, you will be able to make precise adjustments to your region size. In order to get a high-quality recording, you can go to the Settings tab and choose 120 frames per second recording. After that, you can click the red round recording button to start recording. During recording on a Mac, you can click Shift-Command-2 to stop recording, or click Option-Command-2 to pause or resume. On a Windows PC, you can click F10 to stop recording, or click F1 to pause or resume. After the recording is finished, the screen and audio will show directly in the DemoCreator video editor. You can edit it as you like or export it to share it. Super easy to use. So those were hopefully some useful tips to help you learn online more effectively. If you found this video useful, do click the like button and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.